If you're an agent selling final expense life insurance, I think we have all been guilty of clean cheating an application just to see if it gets approved. Okay. Welcome to the Final Expense Sales Academy, the hub for mastering the art of final expense life insurance sales. If you're looking to become a pro in the final expense industry, you're in the right place. My name is Kyle Williams, and I'm your host to go through the ins and outs of the final expense business, from tips to tricks to industry insights. We cover everything you need to close deals with confidence, provide true value to your clients, and become a better insurance agent. So hit that subscribe button. Let's get started on elevating your sales game one video at a time. Hey guys, in this episode, we're going to talk about why to not clean sheet an application to send it into the insurance carrier to see if it gets approved. If you're an agent selling final expense life insurance, I think we have all been guilty of clean sheeting an application just to see if it gets approved. Okay? Clean sheeting an application will adversely affect you, the insured, and the insurance company. What is clean cheating? Clean cheating is just answering no to all the health questions on the application with no regard to the real state of their health conditions, just to see if it gets approved. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're talking to a 60-year-old male tobacco user, and he clearly states that he has COPD. But you just want to see if you can get approved for level to see if it gets issued. So you submit it in anyways, mark no to all the health questions, including the COPD question. That is clean cheating an application. There are many issues with this, and it affects all three parties involved: you, the insurance agent, the insured, and the insurance company. By doing this, it puts each party in a bad position, and it doesn't set them up for success. And I'll break down how it adversely affects each party. So you, the agent. It can lead to termination from the carrier if they find out that you're doing this on an epidemic level. It can also lead to rescissions. So if they die in the first 2 years, due to the contestability clause, this can cause unnecessary chargebacks. It can also lead to complaints by the Department of Insurance, by the family, because they're mad because you promised something and you fumbled the ball and didn't do what you say you were going to do by clean sheeting an application. And this can also put your insurance license in question. The insured. It can essentially put the insured into a 2-year waiting period policy. If you put a misstatement on the application, so marking a question no that should be answered yes, that's called a misstatement. And if they die in the first 2 years, the insurance company has the right to contest the claim, and they will not pay out because if they find out the misstatements. So this adversely affects the insured, because the insured's family really, and the insured, because they're not going to get a payout. They're only going to get their money back. It's going to take 3, 6, sometimes 9 months, depending on the carrier and how fast the physicians send over the medical records before they pay out. And so this can cause a lot of financial implications to the family. And lastly, the insurance company. Believe it or not, an insurance company has a lot of money tied up in every application that is submitted to the insurance carrier, whether they're approved or not. And those costs include the underwriting costs, so the prescription checks, MIB checks, the admin, the underwriters, mailing out the policy. There's so many things that go into every application that we simply just don't see. So by sending in clean sheeting applications, it could cost the insurance company unnecessary money that they really shouldn't have been incurred anyways, because if you just did it correctly, everything would be fine, or they never would have been applied to that insurance carrier. So this causes unnecessary costs to the insurance company. And if you're a frequent abuser to this, they will catch you, because every insurance company tracks a submitted versus taken applications. And if your percentage is not meeting within their threshold, they can terminate you. They have every right. So as we wrap up, avoid cleaning sheeting an application just to see if it gets approved. Do your best to underwrite the case, call your manager in the house, or call the underwriting department with the insurance company in question and do a quick risk assessment to make sure that we're applying for a plan that they have the best chance to be approved for. So not every application is going to get approved. Okay, it's simply not going to happen. But by doing this, it's going to make your percentages of policies getting approved much higher and help you pick the best plan with the correct carrier, so that way we avoid the situations that I laid out above. So if you have any questions, comment below. Be sure to subscribe so that way you catch all the latest content. If you receive something valuable here, share it on social media, share it to your friends, and we will see you in the next episode.